Have you ever noticed that wealthy people appear to follow a secret code when it comes to money? Their way of thinking is more important than what they are doing. We are exposing the silent financial guidelines that affluent people adhere to on a daily basis in this video. Stay with us because you too can experience a complete transformation thanks to these potent mental adjustments. In actuality, wealthy people use a different money mindset to accumulate wealth. They have unspoken rules that aren't secret or difficult to follow. You will discover these straightforward yet effective tactics in this video. We'll teach you how to think the same way, so you can begin creating lasting wealth for yourself. Building wealth doesn't require a large salary or a fortunate break. All you need is the appropriate strategy. Rather than being get-rich-quick schemes, the strategies we're sharing are founded on tried-and-true principles. We are here to provide you with a straightforward, easy-to-follow path so you can start moving forward financially and feel secure. Let's now discuss the 3 quiet money guidelines that the rich follow. These aren't difficult secrets. They're just mental adjustments. We'll go over each one in detail, demonstrate how it operates, and then provide you with a single easy step you can take to get started right away. Let's start with the most crucial rule. Secret number 1 is they buy assets, not liabilities. The most crucial rule is that wealthy people prioritize purchasing assets over liabilities. An asset, such as a rental property or a stock that pays you, puts money in your pocket. A liability, such as a new phone or a fancy car, costs money. Will this make me money or cost me money? Is a better question to ask than can I afford this? Secret number 2 is they master legal tax efficiency. Wealthy people who manage their taxes well keep more of their earnings. This is about taking advantage of basic legal rules, not about secrets. They concentrate on things that reduce their tax liability, such as retirement accounts. Checking out a tax-advantaged retirement account, such as an IRA or 401k, is your easy next step. It's a totally legitimate method of accelerating the growth of your money. Secret number 3 is they build systems, not just salaries. Rich people don't simply exchange their time for money. Even when they are not operating, they create systems that generate revenue for them. This could be from dividends, a small online business, or digital products. Creating a single source of income that doesn't require your physical presence should be your aim. Begin modestly, but begin. Therefore, these 3 easy mental changes are the key to accumulating wealth. Prioritize asset acquisition, manage taxes wisely, and create revenue streams. A magic trick is not necessary. All you have to do is begin putting these potent ideas into practice. Now you know. You have complete control over the next phase in creating your wealth. Please support our channel if this video was helpful to you. For more straightforward wealth-building advice, click the like button below and sign up for Monetive. Tell us which principle you plan to try first in the comments section. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in the next video.